How to make a table on notes on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'll show you how to make a table on your Notes app on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Open up the Notes app. Create a new note by tapping on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. And then to insert a table, you can see the table like icon above your keyboard. Just tap on it and there you go. It has been inserted. Now to add more rows and column, what you need to do is to add row, you'll need to tap on the three dots in the right hand side. And then you can see add row option. You can also delete row from here. And to add column, tap on the three dots at the top and then you can see add column. So like this, you can keep on adding more columns and rows according to your wish. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.